Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pineapple high puff. Wow, I actually don't even know what to call it, but yeah, you guys can decide what to call it. Basically, you're gonna laugh at how easy this hairstyle is to do, but honestly, every time I wear my hair in this hairstyle, I get a bunch of questions from people asking me how I achieve it, so I decided to just record it for you guys in case you were curious. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off on an old wash and go that's flaky and most likely due for a wash, but hey, your girl was not ready to wash her hair just yet. Anyway, so the first thing we're gonna need is a spray bottle, some gel or edge control, your detangling tool of choice, and lastly you're gonna need something to tie up your hair, and I decided to use a satin scrunchie, but you could use a nylon sock or whatever it is you use to tie up your puffs. And the first thing I'm going to do is spritz the perimeter of my hair so that I can make sure that my hair is nice and pliable, so that I can easily put it in a puff without snagging or breaking off any of my strands or without hurting my scalp. And once I'm done spritzing my hair with enough water, I work the water in while attempting to put my hair up in a pineapple. And once I've managed to gather all of my hair up, I tie it up with a scrunchie. And then I pull the scrunchie to the base of my head as much as possible while tagging on my hair strands in an upwards motion so that my hair strands can be as stretched as possible and so that my puff can be as big as possible. And I continue to tag onto my hair until I get a desirable shape. And then I also like to grab some hair strands from the side as well as from the back, just to give it, you know, that effortless look, I work up like this look that us naturals love to have. And as you can see, the side pieces that I removed were quite frizzy, so I decided to add some edge control. I would usually add gel, but because my gel had run out, I decided to use edge control. And if you want, you can actually also add edge control to the perimeter of your hair or to your baby hairs or whatever, but because my hair strands are covering most of the perimeter of my hair, I don't really bother. And here I'm just further adjusting and playing with my hair. I didn't really like the middle part situation that I had going on, so I decided to rather do a full fringe sort of look. And then the last thing you're gonna need are some hooped earrings, the bigger the better, and you are sorted. This is the look. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have liked it and enjoyed it and found it inspiring. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to press that red button right there. Also be sure to follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. And we'll see you on our next one. Bye!